run with the dream is the faith of the travelers. Driving without limits is the pursuit of travelers. Artisan spirit is the disbelief of JMT. We refine the classic with lasting light and heat.
Taizhou Huangyan
JMT Mould Company Limited was established in 2007 and is located in
Huangyan,
the hometown of moulds in China. It is a growth-oriented scientific and technological innovation enterprise that focuses on the design, research and development, and production of molds for various automotive parts and home appliances. We have a vibrant talent team. Collaborate with customers to develop an insight into production details. Core personnel seek the best design results for clients through open communication and discussion. In recent years, we continue to introduce more than 50 people of various types of professionals and technicians, and gradually build a high-quality team of R&D, technology, production, and marketing. All teams work together, coordinate accurately, and tackling key problems together, achieving synergy between the upstream and downstream industrial chains, successfully completing supporting services for various OEMs, winning unanimous praise, and thus establishing a close cooperative relationship. We have world-class production capacity, from the 5-axis high-speed CNC machining center to high-speed milling center, more than 50 sets of large and medium-sized machining equipment, including high-precision double-head EDM, meet various requirements of high-grade, precision, and advanced industrial production. Guided by craftsman spirit, we control every detail of the product. Let transformation happen. Let extraordinary bloom. In the fiercely competitive mold market, find our own path. We have insights into high-quality development. Our high attention and practical experience of high quality, low cost, and short cycle gives us vigorous vitality and sustained competitiveness. We are moving forward from informatization and digitization towards intelligent production. The honor along the way is a witness, an encouragement, and a solid foundation of confidence. In the relentless exploration of innovation, we fully embrace the vision of becoming the world's leading one-stop mold manufacturing leader. Diligently pursuing, provide customers with a one-stop solution from mold design and manufacturing to injection molding production. JMT, the scale of only 3 people small workshop in 2007. Nowadays, it has a number of modern factories. We have more than 350 employees and an annual output of more than 1,200 sets of molds. What has changed is the scale of running and fission development, and the same is the consistent pursuit of quality. In addition to the more than 60 countries and regions we currently cooperate with, we look forward to creating a new chapter in our global cooperation map and develop with the world with high quality and price-friendly products. Wherever the heart goes, there are no boundaries accumulating the power of revolution. Start a new journey. We witness the times, and we are also witnessed by the times.